So this is what I started off with. It was a Carousel Horse that I got at the local Goodwill for $5.99. I'm gonna first paint it with some black chalk paint. That'll be the first step.
You could also spray paint it if you chose, but you would have to use a good quality flat black paint and make sure that you covered every bit of the surface. You're just going to want to really make sure you're coating it completely with the chalk paint to get the good base of the black.
Here you see it completely covered in black chalk paint. Now you could leave it like this, or you could take some brown acrylic paint,
A bronze
with
acrylic
a
paint.
dry brush, a stiff dry brush, and you're gonna go super light, like just dusting it over and over, just picking up the high points. Very little paint. Really, just it's less is more. And by doing that, you give it a bronzed sculpture look. Here you have the finished product. Don't forget to seal it with either a matte or a satin polyacrylic, or just a clear coat of something, because it is acrylic paint and it does need to be sealed if it's going to be handled. But this makes a beautiful addition to your decor on the shelves or on a tabletop. So next time you're in the thrift store, think about those discarded ceramic or statues that aren't exactly the right color but have great detail, and just a little paint and a little bit of your time, and you've got a beautiful piece.